If you watch what has been happening in Nigeria in general and the River State in particular, Ugochi has been the only person speaking. He is an opposition. He's a member of PDP. He has been criticizing the actions of the government, even as we speak now. Sometime last week, somebody carried bomb and wanted to bomb some parts of the River State. As we speak now, nobody, neither the police, nor the SSS, nor National Security Advisor, has condemned that act. I doubt whether an investigation is even going on. So we cannot keep quiet. Everybody cannot keep quiet. We don't have any other country except this country. So trying to intimidate anybody that is speaking out is something Nigerians should stand against. Is something the media should come up. Is something that the Nigerian Bar Association should come up. Is not something that a NUJ should come up. Is something that everybody should stand against. So we are calling our fellow comrades in the human rights organization, civil society organization, Nigerian Bar Association, and women Nigerians to stand against this abomination and the intimidation in solidarity with our own Honorable Ikenga Ikawonu Imo Ugochi, and demand that his right is being protected. So any attempt to frame him up will be unacceptable. And we are calling those that they are using to have a rethink. Because when you silence as we watch in Nigeria now, we are gradually running into one-party state. No opposition, no protest, no criticism. And we are calling the president. I must commend him on his position in what is happening in River State. I'm talking about President Ahmed Bola Tinubu. I must commend him. Nobody should push you to do what is wrong. Nobody should push you to commit, to carry on any unconstitutional act. Maintain your position. Allow the rule of law to operate. Allow the court to take its decision. Anybody that is pushing you to declare state of emergency in River State is an enemy of democracy. Anybody that is carrying out any action that will create a state of insecurity in River State or any part of the country for you to come in to declare state of emergency is your own enemy. So personally, I did not support you. I did not vote you. I'm talking about our own president. But most of your actions is commendable. And I want you to keep it on. This is what they did. And they made Buhari's government the most unpopular government we have ever seen in the history of the world. So please, we are calling those Inspector General of Police. We have had several Inspector General of Police. Don't allow yourself to be used. Because after your tenure as Inspector General of Police, your name will continue to be there. Remember that you have children. You are going to have grandchildren. And they will be living with whatever legacy you are going to leave behind. I also call National Security Advisor, Nuhu Ribadu. Everybody know your track record as a pioneer chairman of EFCC. I don't know what you are looking for again. You should be able to call what is wrong, that something is wrong. Those of us that are criticizing, I think you should appreciate us, because it is through our criticism that you know the area you're not getting it right. All those people that are passing around you, they are looking for what they will put in their pockets. So you should concentrate and look at the areas where we are complaining. I am in court with the president. I am in court with his wife. I am in court with the Senate president. I am in court with the Inspector General of Police. It is all for good governance. It is for you to correct your mistakes so that at the end of the day, we'll have every reason to say thank you.